Hey campers, welcome back. Dave Shipley, BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana here. So today we're featuring our 2016 Keystone Hideout 24 BHSWE, 24-foot bunkhouse with a nice dinette slide on the inside. If you're looking for a good family half-ton towable camper at 7,700 pounds, this is yours. You like a little attitude, you like a unique looking camper. It's not perfect, has a little bit of love on some of the edges, but you know what? It's priced to go and it can be yours today. Featuring on the front here, we do have a power tongue jack, which makes it really nice to get it off the back of the truck. So you're not sitting there cranking for minutes upon minutes, you know, just trying to get her off so you can go and have some fun. Dual 30-pound propane tanks, 2 batteries on the front. It does come standard with a 2 5/16 inch ball. So on the front here, you do have something a little luxurious, which is power stabilizers front and rear. Push this button, they start to go down, make the camper nice and stable for you and the family to enjoy making all your memories basically. Along here, you do have a solar port. So what you can do is just plug in basically a little 20 amp suitcase style solar panel if you wanted to. Trickle charge your batteries, keep everything running nice and neat. Front storage here, passing through all the way to the side. Plenty of room for your chairs, fishing poles, extra groceries, whatever you want to throw in there. Nice big 10-foot lit awning right here, right over the door, so you can keep the stairs all nice and dry, keep the mud off of those. Along the back end here, we do have a nice little outside kitchen with a dual propane burner on next to it. Little sink right here for prepping your food, cleaning your fish. Little beverage refrigerator right here. Put some soda, bottled water, whatever you want to throw in there. Ladder also on your fully walkable roof. Why don't we take a look on the inside? So with this 24 BHSWE, you get the cold mountain package, which is your enclosed underbelly to protect your tanks. So inside here, you can see how nice and spacious it is with this dinette slide. So this dinette right here is called a Super U dinette, which means comfortably you could fit 4 full-grown people around it, maybe a couple adults and 3 or 4 kids. This table is removable. You can either take it outside with you or you can fold it down to make this dinette into a bed. Nice big U-shaped countertop right here, which is super cool for tons of prepping area. Double-sided sink, 3-burner stove and an oven, and above that microwave. Right up here in the master suite, you do have dual entries, which is really nice for his and hers entries, however you want to get to the bed, because it is a little bit of a smaller camper and you do have this wall in the middle. Doesn't have a walk around bed, so they put in a second door. Queen size bed up front with storage all the way around and also receptacles on either side. You can see the receptacle over here. You have one on the other side as well. That's really nice for plugging in your devices, alarm clock, or even a CPAP machine. A lot of people nowadays have the CPAP machine and you can plug them into your camper, sleep comfortably. Right here, we do have a spinning TV. So it goes one way and that's the way right there. So you can actually watch a movie on your in your bedroom if you decided to, or spin it around, have a TV, a little bit of entertainment for the kids if they wanted to play Xbox, watch a movie on those rainy evenings. Back out here into the main living quarters, down below the kitchen counter, we do have a couple drawers for some utensils, paper plates, paper towels, whatever you wanted to put in there. Dometic dual purpose 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Oh, and sorry, also below those drawers you do have a vacuum, which is really cool. The vacuum hose is stored in the pass-through storage. Dometic 8 cubic foot dual purpose refrigerator. It can run off of propane or batteries. Also double full-size bunks in the rear, enough space for 2 full-size adults or even 4 little kids. Behind this door is the library. So right in here you got your toilet with tons of leg space, a stand-up shower with a little tub which you can either wash your children or give your doggies a bath if you needed to, if they want to roll in some fish, get a little muddy. And right behind that, you're gonna have a nice mirrored medicine cabinet with a sink below. Tons of storage for your camping needs, for your family needs, whatever you want to do. 2016 Keystone Hideout 24 BHSWE, right here in Great Falls, Montana. Come and see me, Dave Shipley, or just get a hold of us, hit the link below. Drive up and see us at 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road in Great Falls, Montana. We hope to see you soon.